Hello, how's it going? We have a small ant problem. Doing some spring cleaning today, and this pantry, this place is a disaster. I apologize. It's been a disaster for. Yeah, I blame you. But this pantry right here has all my food, obviously, and I've been getting red ants, sugar ants, for like weeks, months now. So actually I'll go outside to show you. And then I noticed there was a branch hanging right off the RV, like touching on the roof. So I went ahead and trimmed it up right there. So the fridge is right here, and then the cabinet's right there. So I saw a huge pile of ants. So I'm guessing they were coming from this tree and getting in there. So, but yeah, basically going through my pantry, and I should do this anyway because I might have expired food too. So, but I don't know if you can see them. I've been wiping them down, but I'm just going through, seeing what's expired and what is compromised by ants. So. Is this tea? Okay, maybe tea can go over here by the spices. Yeah, this is tea. Does tea expire? This is like it says 2023. Okay, this one looks open. Okay, I'm gonna throw this one. I think my sister gave me these. I don't know. Does tea expire? Hey Siri. Does tea expire? I'll show you. Alright, cleared it out now. There was a huge trail right here and here, and I put bait traps here, but they were getting in through this. You can see a couple still there. They're getting in through that little crack right there. But I'm killing these mother effers because they're killing all my food. Look at that. Look how organized that is. Canned goods over here, rice and macaroni in the back. I don't know why I put the macaroni all the way back there, but yeah. But hopefully these ants can stop eating my crap. Alright, I'm going to do the fridge next, and then sweep, mop, yada yada. I have laundry going now too, so. So my only gripe, make sure everything's turned off. My only gripe about moochdocking, come on, let's go. Go. So my only gripe about moochdocking is that when you need to use the dryer, the RV has to be plugged out because the RV uses the dryer outlet. Oh, also by the way, look, I got some wheel covers. I don't really like them that well because whenever it rains, they slip off, and I'm like, what's the point of these? So either I need to tighten them down or I need better ones because those might be for travel trailers. But you would think they'd all be the same. Hi guys. So let's go plug in the dryer.
From the writer of the worldwide bestseller, 50 Shades of Grey.
Smosh.
About this. I hope she gets freaky with the snowman. It's Dan Lee?
Oh! Okay, this was just sitting here, so I'm waiting on laundry to be done anyway, so I just figured I'd do it. Ooh, it feels good. The water is really, really hot though. This is good. I forgot how good this feels. Man, it's coming down out there. And it just thundered and Kylo got scared. Hey, I'm here playing video games. Got some snackies. Got some snackies for a movie night. I feel like watching Spider-Man tonight. Amazing Spider-Man. Andrew Garfield one. Morning. Alright, you wanna go outside? Come on. Go. Go poop. Alright, now to finish my undone chores from yesterday. Oh. A little more. Better not throw up, dude. I'm not cleaning that up, too. Alright, I'm gonna check this pantry. See how it's doing with the ants. I see a couple ants, but not a swarm like last time, so it's doing a little better. Look both ways. You getting pooped? Hey, Kylo. Come here. Come here. What are you looking at? I don't know. Kylo. Come. Come here. So my mom ended up getting me an air fryer for the RV. It's been super convenient. And it's small enough to fit right here, so it's very compact. So I'm guessing when I go to drive, I'll just put it in the sink. But it's been super convenient. And I can save a lot on propane to cook, so how awesome is that? So, I've been doing my dishes in the house, not to raise the gray tank in the RVs. Alrighty, let's see what's bad, shall we? Alright, this pizza's about a week old. Throw it out. The veggie pizza. I think it was actually still good, I'm not risking it. Alright, these grapes, gotta go. Finish that. Yeah, these grapes are all wilted. Let's see. Do these expire? There's an avocado in here. Peppers. So when the RV is plugged out, the fridge defrosts like that, and all the ice buildup drains to these pans right here, and so I have to be careful of what I put in here because they would just get soggy and soaked and yelp.